But first off, then we're going to use our Harbor Freight chop saw for the first time because we're trying to rig up our kickdown and we got to make a bracket. So I'm going to cut this one that came up in the sniper kit. I'm going to cut it, fold it up, bend it, drill a hole, blah, blah, blah. Let's see if this will actually cut this off.
This is not our house.
Well, the difficulty is going to be I don't even to hit when I cut it that way. I almost have to cut the other way. It's going to pop off. Let me see if I can turn this thing around. Give me something to cut against. Yep, we're going to go in. Let me try to cut this. I don't know. This is not going to work out. Because that way, nothing to cut on. I may have to use the here, let's try it, see. It's gonna be really close. I just really got to get that down so it doesn't hit the throttle. There's a throttle leakage. Let's do this. I wish there was some way to. Here, let's see. I gotta cut that like butter, so I'm just gonna have to freeze it. Bingo. I can actually cut it this way. Hold on, I don't need any of that divot sticking out. So let's do this. That'll clear it easily. Perfect. Excellent. Now, we're going to just fold this up, bolt this down to the intake on a little bracket, fold that up, and then the piece that runs the cable can bolt right through here. Perfect. Ground this down a little bit with the grinder. Now we're going to flip this up, hopefully. Oh yeah, nice and soft. Easy money. Could have grabbed my bigger crescent wrench and did this, but oh yeah. That's pretty sweet. A little bit too far. I'm going to pull that back up just a tad. Yep. Excellent. Put that on there like that. Cable will fly right through here. At the other end of the transmission. And it goes right into the linkage on the sniper, the bolt and everything. That's where it pops on. So that'll be perfect, dude. You didn't get stuff in your eyes. Let me see. Oh wow, what you working on? Let me see your tools.
I already have one.
You trying to take a spark plugs out under here? What? Hey, hold on, man. You're supposed to be working on the drive shaft. That's a spark plug remover. You gotta get the right tools.
I got only one tool.
I'm trying to hook this thing up for my kick down. It's woo. Well, this is actually pretty cool.
I'm working on something.
That's gonna work. And then I got up here this. This is pretty neat because the bolt went right through there. Yeah, kind of like they knew what they were doing. I just gotta tighten this up, then I can go up top and get my length right. Yeah. There we have it. Kick down. Put the little bracket, mounted that to there. I never cut the cable because I'm not going to shorten this. I'm going to keep that. And so I never had to cut the housing. I just let it loop back around and back up. And it's just laying on top of the transmission. It's not hurting anything. You can tell this kicks in about half throttle. And then that last little bit. Because right when you see that housing tighten up right there, boop, it starts pulling. And then you got that last little bit your kick down. Boop, just like that. So that's just the stock length. And see, you got this much here. Whoop, there it's pulling. There it goes. You can tell. Right there, that's kind of cheesy over there, dude. It's got that plastic sheath inside with that little, whatever, fake metal on the outside. I don't know what it is. Anyway, that seems kind of cheesy, but anyway, that'll get the kick down going. And the other thing I need to do is my modulator. It seems to want to go to third gear almost immediately, 10-15 miles an hour. So I need to screw the screw in on the modulator, which I changed that, man, when I was like a kid. I don't know, mess with that. Maybe late teens. I'm not even sure, but I remember something about changing that before. It went bad or something. So I'm going to try to make sure it's got vacuum to it, and then screw that thing in just a little bit, and I can take it for a test drive. Getting close, dude, getting close. Get this thing inspected and go make me some metal runs, because I got stacks of metal. I got like 3 loads of metal I need to get rid of. And I want the truck to do it, because if I try to put it on a trailer, on a flatbed, I'm going to have metal flying all over the roads, because it's just small scrap pieces. I mean, engine blocks, all kinds of stuff. And so I'd rather throw it in the back of the truck. So I got to get this thing on the road, put it to work.